Welcome back. Today's video is going to be a kind of different series that I'm starting on my channel where I go and declutter my entire makeup collection. So if you don't know, hey, my name's Adrika. I upload 3 times a week on this YouTube channel, so tune in every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday if you want to see my face on your screen. So I am going to be going through pretty much all of my makeup, decluttering everything, so this is the same intro that you're going to see for pretty much all of them. It's always good to go through your makeup collection, get rid of any expired makeup, get rid of makeup that you're not using, give it to a home that will use it way more. So all the expired makeup I am chucking straight in the bin, but the not expired makeup, stuff that I'm just not quite that into, I will be donating or giving to friends and family. All that business, they are not going straight in the garbage. That is so wasteful. I'm sure someone could use it somewhere. Any links that you're gonna need, I will be linking them all down below, so definitely check it out. If you like anything that you see here, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of my uploads. So without further ado, if you want to see me declutter blank, insert whatever I'm decluttering today, then just keep on watching. Alright, let's declutter some lip products because I am running out of space. I don't even have space for my newest favorite addition, these Physicians Friendly ones. So we're gonna go through and declutter all the stuff that I just don't use. So let's start with these minis right here. I got actually like a full set for Christmas, so I'm actually gonna be keeping all of these. These are really handy to have. So these minis are staying. These are the only, that's a mini too, actually. So these are the only 2 in that basket that aren't minis. This I just never wear. It's like, it's one of those NYX turned up, but it's so creamy and dark that I'm always afraid that it'll just leave my lip lines. So I'm actually going to be giving this away. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Monte Carlo. If I remember, this was really patchy. Let me double check. Yeah, look at that. Does that look like the same color? No, I wanted vibrant red. Did not get vibrant red. We'll be giving that one away too. Let's work on this one now. This Revlon one, I'm just going to give away. This MAC, ooh, this Instigator color used to be my favorite. Oh, I'm gonna keep this because this is actually a really nice keepsake of mine. This is an NYC lipstick, which is not cruelty free. I will be giving this away. Let me move these out. This Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha, I loved when I had darker hair. I have a bunch of these Flower Beauty kiss sticks. These are discontinued now, so let me just but I love this color. But this one's literally burgundy. That is such like a bright peachy color. But will I ever wear peach? I don't wear peach. I'm gonna give this away. Give that away. This is in the shade Rosy Garden. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this one. I'm gonna keep this. I love shades like that. That's just one of my favorites. This one is in a different, oh my god, that is so nude. That is like concealer lips. I don't own anything this nude, so I'm actually gonna keep this, and it's like a moisturizing finish. So I'll be keeping that. Wow, you are tarnished to death. You're actually all used up. This is Wet n Wild 916D Raven Raisin. Completely used up. I'm going to chuck this. This is an empty. I have another one too. Are you used up too? Oh my gosh. No, you have just the tiniest little bit more. What is this one? 906D Wine Room. I'm gonna give this away because my mom really loves this color. I also have this bright red. Ooh, you're smushed. I don't know why you're so smushed, but you're from Revlon, so I'm gonna give you away. Alrighty, look at how much I've cleared. It's amazing. We're gonna start with this one before we go into this big mama. I love this. This is such like a peachy, like a gloss from Hard Candy. I'm keeping that. I love this from Buxom too, one of my favorite glosses. I'm keeping that. I have a random lip liner from Essence. I will be keeping this in there because I use lip liners all the time. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London, one of my favorite nudes ever, like almost concealer lip nude. Oh, this is another flower lipstick in Tea Rose, which is more of just like a everyday nude color. I love this as well. I'll be keeping this. There is another mini here. Why are the minis in here? I'm keeping all of the minis like I said, so I'm just gonna put them all in the same place. We have this BH Cosmetics liquid lipstick. I love this shade. This is in Clara. I'll be keeping that as well. I love the formula of this MUA liquid lipstick. Oh, it smells like peppermint. I really like this, and they are cruelty-free, I believe. This is just in the shade Bright Red. This is a very moussey formula. I have this Bonnie Bell lip lacquer. I'm gonna give this away. I think they don't exist anymore. I'm definitely keeping this, the NYX Turned Up lipstick in Playdate. This is such a unique lavender shade. And the last thing in here is this Tartist gloss. I'll definitely be keeping this. I really enjoy the formula. So, now I can put all the things that I'm keeping right there. So now Big Mama time. Okay. I love the Wet n Wild liquid catsuits. Keeping all of those. The Anastasia liquid lipstick I love as well. This is a black liquid lipstick, which is so helpful, so I'll be keeping that. Oh man, I think I'm gonna keep all of these. This is an Ofra. Oh, right, I was talking about this in another video. This is in the shade of Brooklyn, their liquid lipstick. I'll be keeping that. Now these two I think I'll be giving away. I just don't enjoy the formula of these anymore. The NYX Lip Lingerie. They're just not my thing anymore. They're a little too dry for me. A little too dry. I have this metallic mousse from Hard Candy. Who is wearing this? Okay, I'm gonna keep this because I feel like this is like one of the only metallic things I have. I think it'll give a cool effect sometimes, so I'll be keeping that. I'll be keeping this Velvet Mousse too. I love this nude shade. Another lip liner. I'm gonna keep this here because I need lip liners constantly. Oh, this is a L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss. Giving that away. I'm giving this one away too because it's another L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss. I think I'm keeping the rest of these too. Actually, I'm gonna give this e.l.f. Lipstick away because I don't really use it. The rest of these are such unique shades. I love all of them. So these are my Physicians Formula Velvet Lip Collection. And yeah, she's gonna fit in there nicely because she's all boxed up. Oh man! Alrighty, I'm gonna put all my liquid lipsticks here, or as many as I can fit, to be honest, in here. Oop. Like a dry down liquid lipstick. Like that one. This one is not a dry down. This one is a dry down. Yeah, okay, so these are all, oh, nope, this one. It's a perfect fit. Okay, they're a little bit squished, but it's a perfect fit. So these are all of my dry down liquid lipsticks now. Let's organize these a little bit. Just a little bit more. Show you guys a little bit of the organization process. Alright, so let's put more glossy lips in here. I have like 3 of these. Holy crap. Let's put more glossy. This is more glossy. Okay, I actually don't have enough to constitute another thing anymore. So I think I'm just gonna shove everything in here. I think everything will fit, like glosses and lipsticks and liquid lipsticks that don't quite dry down. Yeah, oh my gosh. I got rid of an entire thing. That's great. That is great. I think we did a great job today, guys. So that wraps up my video, guys, on this blank declutter. This is going to be the same outro that you're gonna see for each video, so it's just easier for me to edit, go through footage and all of that business. So any links that you're gonna need, it'll all be linked down below, so definitely check it out. If you like anything that you see here, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of my uploads. I do upload every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, so definitely tune in on those days if you want to see more content from me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye!